Hello there, YouTube. It is your good old pal Nathan, man, back with ya. So today, guys, I'm going to show you how to seed a bare patch in your lawn. Alrighty, guys, here we go. How to seed a bare patch in the lawn with Nathan, man. Here we go. So, first thing I wanted to show you guys is I went out and I bought some good soil, good lawn soil. Really organic, full of lots of materials, all the nooks and crannies. You know what, just go to any garden center, ask around, they'll hook you up with something good. So anyhow, I got that. I figured 4 bags. So got some grass seed. The seed that I'm using is kind of a partial. So see, I'm gonna lay out some of this soil, get a feel for what's there. I took a ballpark guess. I think I did pretty good. It's one thing, and you know what too? It never hurts to have more either. So spread it out with a rake. I'm using just a regular old leaf rake or fan rake, whatever you want to call it. Spread it out with that. Get it somewhat even. You guys can see this is where I used to have that shed. I got it just lightly skimming it. It's almost like a 1/4 inch thick right now. Now I've got some of that easy seed, I spread some of it down, and then I got the main stuff. See this? Yeah, that's what I wanted to use. So it's a partial shade and sun. It's what's the word? It's able to take when there's not a whole lot of water happening. Grows like crazy. So, frankly, I just started spreading it, and you know what? A lot of guys will tell you that you need to calculate how much seed to put down, but me, being a landscaper once upon a time ago, let me tell you, there is no right or wrong way to spread the seed. I've always just kind of went with what felt right for me. And then flip your fan rake upside down, use the back end of it, spread it like that. I've got the tines facing up so I don't hit the seeds. Work it in a little bit. Then you guys can see this will help hold the seeds, helps make it all lots of good contact. And basically this first little while, since it's so lightly on there, you just want to get the soil really just damp. That's it. I'm just making it so it's wet, and I do this twice a day. I'm here for maybe 5 minutes. And I do this for the first week and a bit. It's mainly because the seed hasn't really attached yet, right? You don't want to wash it all away. So, plus 2, we've got really good seed to soil contact. You want to have that, guys. So I've got a couple of pictures coming. I'll show you. And this will be kind of how you see that this is the way to do it, and I highly recommend you guys do this. But don't forget, you need to water after that first week, and you start seeing some stuff attached. Get a sprinkler on it, start using the sprinkler. Hit it in the morning, don't hit it at night too much. The morning is the best time because lots of time to dry out over the day. If you leave it overnight, there's a chance that you could get like fungus or anything, any kind of lawn disease. Yeah, just like I said, just a light little sprinkle just for that first week. So there's week 1. Look at that, eh? 1 week and I've already got growth. Don't worry about the weeds. You're going to get weeds, okay? Don't freak out. And I had a bunch there already. Week 2 looking good. That's why I had the sprinkler starting to hit it now. And week 3, whoa. So guys, now you've seen week 3. Once you start seeing it blend in with the rest of your lawn, you know you're safe to put a lawnmower on it. But for the first time, I'm going to be using the trimmer. Well, there goes. If you have enjoyed this video and learned something new, then please leave a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family, and please subscribe for more, guys, and hit that bell. Hope that you guys all have a awesome day.